golfer's elbow is commonly caused by acute, chronic, and repetitive injuries to the inside of the elbow. Now today we're going to talk about the top 3 tips, what you can do today to get you moving better, feeling better, and performing better. Let's get started. First and foremost, I want you to use the R.I.C.E method. I want you to rest your elbow. I want you to ice and heat your elbow for about 15-20 minutes. I want you to use compression of the elbow like a golfer's elbow brace or a functional taping, and I want you to elevate your elbow as well. Now specifically, let's get started on the top 3 tips in terms of, first I want you to stretch your elbow. I want you to keep your elbow nice and straight, bend that wrist back. I want you to hold that for a good 20-30 seconds, and I want you to repeat this 2 to 3 times in a row. Next, we need to move the elbow. So let's go through some dynamic motions. So first and foremost, we're going to keep the wrist straight. We're just going to move that elbow back and forth to the end ranges of motion. We're going to do that 15 or 20 times as well, back and forth. We're going to do the same thing with the wrist. So keep the elbow straight and just move that wrist up and down. The third one, we're just going to turn and twist to the end motions here. Get that elbow moving. Next, we need to strengthen that elbow. Grab your favorite dumbbell. Typically, the weight of the dumbbell should be the weight that you can perform 12 or 15 repetitions, okay? So you're gonna keep the elbow straight, perhaps on a table, be comfortable. You're gonna bring the wrist up, and you're gonna slowly lower it down. You're gonna take about 8 seconds to lower that down. Bring the wrist up, and you're gonna slowly lower that down. All right, y'all, let's get started on these tips. Let's get you back on the course. Remember, when you move better, you'll feel better, you'll perform better.